Okay, good morning, my dear students. I am Avinash, your English teacher. Today, I am going to tell you one motivational story. I want you to listen this story very carefully. And after the story is completed, I will ask you some questions. So I hope that you are very attentive in the class. Bacho, our story is of a number of frogs. There was a colony of frogs in the forest. uh, that colony of frogs was living in a forest in which there was no rain for many months. No rain, so no water. So these all the frogs were searching for water here and there. Then one day they decided to go in search of a pond in the other parts of the forest. They were living in one part of the forest, and they decided to go to other part of the forest. So they started moving to the other part of the forest. There were 100 frogs in that colony. So they all were moving in search of a pond. Then what happened in the way? There was a big pit. There was a big pit, and it was very deep, very deep. And two of the frogs just fell down in the pit. What happened? Two frogs just fell down in the pit. When they fell down, other frogs were very scared. Oh, what happened? How they will come out now? This is very big and deep pit. They both will not be able to come out. So, when they saw inside, the two frogs were trying to come out of the pit. They were jumping as high as they can. They were jumping. Both of them were jumping. Two frogs, when they fall down in the pit, they both were trying to come outside the pit. They were trying very hard. Now, what happened? The frogs which were upside the pit, they were saying, what are you doing? This is very big pit. You cannot come outside. This all the frogs, other frogs, telling them, don't come, don't try, your try is waste. Don't try to come outside, you cannot come, this is very deep pit, this is very deep pit, you cannot come outside. So one frog of the two, he thought that now we cannot go outside, so that frog left trying. The one frog left trying to come outside, and that one frog died. Okay, that one frog died. Others were saying, you also don't try. One frog died, one frog left. Okay, that frog kept on trying, jumping high, jumping, trying. Others all upside saying, no, don't come, don't try, you cannot come, this is very deep pit. So this one frog kept on trying. This one frog kept on trying, and at last this one frog came outside. This one frog came outside. All were amazed. All were thinking, how you came? How you came? You kept on trying. Other one died. You are successful in coming outside this deep pit. And in such a situation, when all of us are demotivating you, all of us are demotivating you that you cannot come, then also you kept on trying. Then one of the frog which was outside told that this frog is deaf. This frog is deaf, he cannot listen. Now this one frog which came outside told that I was thinking you all are motivating me. You all were appreciating my courage, so I tried hard. I tried more and more hard. I did not stop to try. I was thinking you all are motivating me because I cannot listen what you are telling. So I tried more and more hard. I thought you all were appreciating me. So बच्चों, this was the story of this colony of frogs. I hope you have enjoyed this story. जल्दी हम इस पे इसकी मॉरल पर हम डिस्कस करेंगे. यू जस्ट थिंक व्हाट इज़ द स्टोरी ऑल अबाउट, एंड देन वी विल discuss the moral and what are the things that you can learn from this story. So thank you children.